Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys a magic trick, and then I'm going to teach you how to do it with the ordinary deck of cards. As you can see, all normal. So first off, I'm going to select two cards out. Here's one, there's two. And I'm going to put these aside right there so you guys can see them as well. Next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shuffle these cards. Oh shoot, that was a horrible shuffle. Jesus Christ. I'm actually trying to shuffle these cards. I haven't done Magic in such a long time. Jesus Christ. Okay, so now a random card could be selected. I'm going to choose this one right here, the King of Spades. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, sorry, a random card. I can shuffle this again just so I can show you guys this is all improv 2. Next up, I'm going to put the King of Spades on the top of the deck. Next, I'm going to show you guys these cards. This is the King of, or sorry, not the King, the Jokers. What's special about these Jokers is one's guaranteed, one's a non-guaranteed Joker, and if you can't tell, this one is the guaranteed Joker. And these are going to help me find your card. So I'm going to make sure I shuffle this deck nice and well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a bunch of piles. Doesn't matter how many cards are each pile. Just going to make a bunch of them, bunch of piles, bunch of piles, bunch of piles. So put that right there. And I'm going to combine these piles together and do that. And now your card is, or the card selected is randomly inside this deck. Don't know where, not at all. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put each Joker on the bottom and the top of the deck. So as you can see, one Joker on the bottom, one Joker on the top. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to see if these Jokers can help me find your card. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Jokers a little bit to the side, like as so. Have the deck right there, and I'm going to throw the deck out, and the Joker found one card, and that is the King of Spades. So in order to do this deck, of course, you need two Jokers, two Aces, two Kings, whatever you want to do. You also want a story with it. My storytelling is pretty garbage, as you can see. And it's very easy as well. Get your two Jokers, get whatever two cards you want. Oh man, I have cards that are missing. Put that in there. And keep them face down. Tell your person that you're doing the trick to, be like, okay, these two cards are going to be important towards the end of the trick. And you tell them, okay, you can go ahead and shuffle it. They're probably just going to shuffle like that or some other type of shuffle. They're going to attempt to do a riffle shuffle like me, and I just attempted to do it. I'm pretty garbage at it right now. And you're going to tell them, okay, select any card you want. Say they pick this one, the Ace or 8 of Spades, sorry. And next what we want to do is we want to put the card on top of the deck, the Ace of Spades, and then you're going to tell them, okay, these two cards, and as you're explaining to them these two cards about the guaranteed and non-guaranteed Joker, kind of bullshit, you want to explain to them this, and you're going to have to do a false shuffle. Now, the way I do false shuffles is I split the deck. You want to know how to do that right there. You want to split the deck like that. And you want to take the top half with the card on top and put it in this hand. Next, what you want to do is you want to take the other half. You want to take the other half and take the bottom part of it and put it in your other hand like this. Now you want to take this card and put it on the bottom, the middle deck. And then you put your top or your bottom half right here, your middle half right here, and your top half right here. Now this is a little bit complicated, I can understand, but any fall shuffle will work. It has to be kind of quick so your observer doesn't really see it. So you just want to do a really quick fall shuffle. Do it quick. And then what you say is, okay, I'm gonna make sure this deck is thoroughly shuffled. And then you just want to keep on riffle shuffling and make sure you don't get that top card. And then you say, okay, now I'm gonna make piles, and you want to remember what pile your card is on. So I'm just gonna put some random cards here, some random cards here. This really doesn't matter how many piles you make. I'm gonna make a pile here and just put some random cards. And then you want to say, okay, now I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put these cards on different piles, and you just want to make sure all the cards get to there, to the pile where the card selected was on the bottom. And then you want to say, okay, now is that the card is now officially fully shuffled, is somewhere in this deck, no idea where it is. And now you want to say, okay, now these jokers are going to help me get your card. Put one on the top and one, oh my god, I'm so garbage, and one on the bottom, like so. And you're going to be like, okay, these jokers are going to help me try to find a card. And then what you want to do is you want to, I'm not necessarily telling the story that you should say. You can make it more as creative as possible. I'm just like really bad at making up stories with the magic trick. But you want to be like, oh, okay, these jokers are gonna mystically fucking find your card. And then what you want to do is you want to take the two jokers, you want to spread them like that, and you will say, okay, these two jokers are going to try to work together and try to find your card. And then what you want to do is you want to take the bottom card, and you kind of want to have your one of your fingers holding it. And what you want to do is you want to go 3, 2, 1, and you want to toss the deck to the other side. It's going to have that one card on the bottom in the middle, and then you're going to be like, oh, it's their card. So that is the trick. It's really simple, really easy in my opinion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.